you how to work your edit report. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that the edit report is in your orders. You're going to click on Maintain, Crystal Report, click on Search, and type in the word Edit. If Edit Report comes up without a category and name, then it is not added into your system, and we need to do that by double-clicking on it, putting it in a category, and then giving it a name, Edit Report, and save. Then it will look like, next time if you go in there, it'll look like this. The name is in there, so it should be in our system. We're going to go to Create Edit, and we're going to Orders Confirm. And we're going to click on the drop down next to Print and choose Edit Report. This is going to show us all of the patients and all of the invoices that are going to be created when we create invoices, when we do the process orders. If I click on the little manila folder right here, it's going to show me all the patients that are getting ready to bill. So I have James Hatfield, and I have billing to Medicare, and these are my items that are billing to Medicare. These are my modifiers. This is what date of service. This is what month they will be billing when I send them in. Okay. Or this is the month, this is my quantity. Then I have them here again, a different person, and I'm going to go through all of my people and make sure they're correct. If I see any errors, I'm going to go ahead and close that and go to the order and correct those errors. So if I'm going to run my edit report and I see that I have my armrests in as a purchase and I really want them to be a capped rental like the wheelchair, I'm going to go to my order and type in James Hatfield. I'm going to open up his order. At this point, I have to make any of those changes, I have to uncheck the approve box and save. I can go into his armrests and change it to a capped rental, make sure my modifiers are correct, and make sure it says monthly. And I need to make sure my pricing is correct as well. And click OK, check my approve box, and save. So the next time I run this report, it will show those changes. Okay, that's a capped rental. If I want to hold billing, let's say I got down here to James Adams and I see an error, he's got 2 beds and he's got 2 wheelchairs and I don't have time to work on it, I'm going to go again to my search and go to my patient, so John Adams. And I see he has multiple items in here. So I can come down to here to my, can't see it, to my details and put his name in again. And I can see which items are new or closed. Closed items I'm not going to worry about, they're already billed, and then here's my new items. So I've got order number 9 and order number 13. It's going to tell me right there. So if I double click on this, I can remove the bill date and that'll put it on missing information. And it will remove, once we rerun this report, I'm going to save that. Once I rerun this report, that'll be removed from the report. So he'll just have 1 item there instead of all of the items. So I moved those off. That is the edit report, or the claims ready to be billed. These items are not invoices and they're not on missing information, but when I do my process orders, they'll move from orders to invoices.